The 5 things I would do as a trichologist. I would recommend to shampoo at least once a week. Good hair grows on good soil, and your scalp is the soil that your hair grows on. A clean and healthy environment contributes to that. The Tangle Teezer Scalp Exfoliator really helps to loosen up the buildup on your scalp. I will tell you to not sleep with wet hair. Not only can it cause severe hair damage, it's also the perfect environment for fungi and bacteria to grow. And trust me, you don't want that on your hair and scalp. I would recommend using a brush that is specifically designed to lower the amount of tension and friction on your hair. One of the most common causes of cuticle damage is using the wrong brush while brushing. Tangle Teezer has a variety of hairbrushes to fit your hair condition and needs, and it's been my #1 easy accessible brush to recommend to my clients. I would suggest to get your blood work done. A lot of us don't realize that we're lacking certain nutrients, and instead of right away grabbing for a vitamin to supplement it, get your blood work checked. This way you can find out if you have any deficiencies, and then you can adjust your diet to what your body actually needs. I would suggest ways to de-stress on a daily and weekly basis. Stress is one of the most common causes of hair and scalp problems, but it's also the most difficult to treat. In the times that we live in, stress is being normalized, but it has a huge effect on the body. Both mind and body are in a continuous survival mode, and that results into your body kind of canceling out the things that it doesn't need, including healthy hair. The Scalp Exfoliator and Massager was recommended by the International Trichology Congress. It's an amazing multi-purpose tool, not only to help reduce stress and tension, but also to exfoliate the scalp. So now it's your turn. What would you recommend?